Welcome back everyone to my channel. So today I have been challenged again to do a Easter trail mix. So I decided to switch it up a little bit, and the base is going to be, the main ingredient is going to be popcorn. So that's actually one of my favorite snacks. So I thought, you know what, let's just incorporate that into today's trail mix. So I'm going to show. So all I've done is microwave some popcorn. You can see, oh my god, it smells so good. Don't mind my messy fridge. But we're going to start with some popcorn, or whatever favorite popcorn that you do have, whether it's already store-bought and made, your favorite microwavable popcorn, you can use that as well. So I'm going to be using some popcorn, some unsweetened cereal, whether it's Chex, Cheerios, spring-colored M&Ms as well, and a hint of chocolate to drizzle on top. So we're going to throw it all together now. So now, all I'm going to do now, I do have the popcorn already in the bowl. I'm going to add some Cheerios. So you're just going to go ahead and add in. Alright, so now I've added the Cheerios, the popcorn. I'm going to go ahead and add in the pretzels. So whatever you like, you can use pretzel sticks. If you like the little nuggets, the pretzel nuggets, whatever you have, the pretzel rods, the thicker ones, you can also break those up as well and use that. And again, just mix everything together. Make sure everything is incorporated. Alright, so now I've transferred everything into a larger pan. I do have some sprinkles that I'm going to add just for a little bit more color. As you can see, some of the candy has gone down to the bottom, but it's in there. We just got to dig, like digging for gold. So it's there. So I'm going to add some sprinkles for that extra pop of color. So now to bring everything together, I'm just going to drizzle some chocolate on top. I'm using milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, white chocolate. Even if you wanted to coat the whole trail mix, you can do that as well. But I just want just that little touch of sweetness, because remember, we do have the candy in there as well. So we have some sweet touches already. So I don't want it to be overbearing. So let's do it. So as you can see, I do have the chocolate here. It's melted, and I just left it in its original packaging. So no mess, no fuss. I'm just gonna snip off the corner here and then just drizzle. So it's not gonna be perfect. We're not looking for perfect. We're looking for edible. Okay. Like I said, this has been melted in the microwave, maybe 15-20 seconds or so, depending on your microwave. So I'm just going to squeeze this and do a nice little drizzle over top. You can do as little or as much as you like. But here's a nice little special treat. So now I think I deserve a nice little taste test. So I'm going to dig right in. I'm going to be greedy and get the one with the most chocolate on it. Yo, damn. Come on now. So good. Make sure you try it out. Delicious. And that's it. That's how I make the Easter bunny mix, we're going to call it. So everything came from Dollar Tree. I'm balling on a budget over here.